Blizzard is definitely one of the best fruits in the game, but the thing is, I barely see this fruit. It's like Spirit or Venom, when everyone considers them the best, but you'll find 100 Kitsunes before you find even one of these. So I'm gonna be using Blizzard and just give an honest review, so yeah, enjoy the video. Quick shout out to Thunderstuff because he gave me this Blizzard so I could make this video, so link in the description, thank you. One thing that's very common with Blizzards is that I don't see them use any other move than the V move. So I'm gonna try and use Blizzard without using it, just so I can see what the other moves actually are and see why this is. For some reason it was National Discord Mod Day, because no one was going outside. Everyone was just chilling in cafe, bro. Okay, I did find some people eventually, so time to PvP. By the way, I lied about earlier. I didn't find a lot of people. I found one person. That fight went for 15 minutes! But what did I gather from that fight? Blizzard kinda sucks. Obviously, I'm not using the full fruit since I'm not using V, even though the other guy, he was definitely using V. With the 3 moves that I had, honestly, they're all pretty terrible. The Z move, low damage projectile. You can charge it down and it might do a bit more damage and it won't go very far, but it'll cover a bit more space. But not a very good move. The X move, Whiteout, slowest projectile in the game. You probably have to use Spiky Trident and set up some specific combo, but like, I can't be bothered, man. Just because you can do a one-shot combo with like Water Kung Fu and fucking Trident from Percy doesn't make it a good fruit. The C move is terrible. It doesn't even work how it's meant to. It's like sort of a projectile, but it doesn't really go very far. And it's pretty hard to aim with, but I use shift block, so take that with a grain of salt. And the fly move is a fly move. Yeah, well, I can definitely see why people only use the V move. The rest of these, like, kinda suck. All these moves are really slow, and they don't even do good damage. Anyway, time for the... Pretty sure when they designed this fruit, it went a little something like this. Ripindra, these moves suck. How are we gonna fix this fruit? Should we alter these moves, or what are we gonna add to the V move? Big. What? Big. What the fuck does that mean? Big! Pretty much everyone knows this by now, but Blizzard V move is ridiculous. Now, is this enough to make Blizzard good? Nope, it's still a frosty fucking piece of shit. I don't know how much it is that I just suck, but this fruit is awful. I expected when I got to this part that Blizzard V would just be really good or something, and it'd save this fruit. No, it did not go as planned. This fruit fucking sucks. Blaxa! You're using it wrong! I probably am using it wrong, but that's kinda dumb. I shouldn't have to bend over for my fruit and use fucking E-Claw and like the most obscure sword in the game so it becomes good. I should just be able to use this. This is Blox Fruits. You control the fruits. The fruits don't control you. I'm not gonna sit here and lie and say, this fruit is pay to win. This fruit is the key. Because it's really not. It's probably the worst fruit for its value, to be honest. That's enough of a rant for now. So, is there any good stuff to this fruit? Yeah? All this stuff is pretty big. I mean, obviously there's the V move, but the hitboxes are pretty generous on this fruit.